how to reset and change an Ubuntu user password in case you have forgotten it and you can no longer access that user. We're going to get right into it, not waste any time. So here we go. First things first, we just need to restart or turn on our computer. And when it starts to boot up, we're going to go ahead and press the escape key in order to enter the GRUB menu. And if this doesn't work, we can go ahead and try to do it with the shift key on some of the older versions. So if you've done this correctly, you will get this GRUB menu. And from the GRUB menu, you'll just want to select the advanced options. And then from here, we're going to toggle down to recovery mode. And then from here, you're going to toggle down to this root option to get the root shell prompt. And then you'll see at the bottom it will say press enter for maintenance. So you'll go ahead and press enter. And then from there, we're just going to enter the instruction to replace the password. So it's going to be PASSWD and the username that we need to replace the password for. It will prompt you to enter a new password. So at this point, you can put in whatever new password you want. And then once you have finished that and confirmed that, then you can type in exit and it will exit you back out to this menu, at which point then you can just toggle up to resume and resume normal boot and you will be back in with a new password. So if this helped you, if you'd leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.